Removing continue watching items on Hotstar typically involves clearing your watch history or managing your account setting. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So, method number 1, clearing watch history. Go to the Hotstar website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Watch List or Watch History, depending on how it's labeled on your platform. Locate the Continue Watching section, which typically appears at the top of your watch list or watch history. Hover over the content you want to remove from the Continue Watching list. Look for an option to remove or delete the selected item from your watch history or watch list. This action may vary depending on the platform's interface. So that's it, folks. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share, and like the video. Thank you for watching.